Hey everybody! This video is for anyone who is suffering with plantar fasciitis. So plantar fasciitis is a painful condition where the bottom of your foot hurts with every step you take. And sometimes that pain is felt just at the heel, and sometimes it's the whole bottom of your foot. So the plantar is a piece of fascia or connective tissue that covers the whole bottom of your foot, and it gets really tight and gets some micro tears in there, and that's why people have pain. So I've worked with lots and lots of people who've had plantar fasciitis, and they've done all this stretching and wore boots and sometimes orthotics, and still they're suffering a year, 2, even 3 years later. And luckily I learned a great trick that's really easy and effective, and I want to share it with you because I want everyone to know this. So the reason that just stretching your foot or wearing a boot to hold it in place doesn't always work is because, number one, it's not always just the foot. Everybody that I have known with plantar fasciitis has had tight calf muscles or a knot somewhere in their lower leg. And when you get tight calf muscles, those muscles become short and they start to pull on everything around it. So your calf muscles pull on your Achilles tendon, which pulls on the bottom of your foot. So everything's connected. The Achilles tendon is connected to the plantar, so it's going to pull and shorten that plantar. So it's important to spend some time massaging your calf and your lower leg and the area around your Achilles tendon, and that'll help too. So you want to massage your lower leg. The next thing that you want to do is, instead of stretching the foot, since you've already given that a try, let's relax the foot. So if you imagine that I have a rubber band pulled really tight, and then I keep pulling on it more, it's going to get little tears in it. It might even snap. So that's not a good thing. We want to relax it instead of continue to pull on the plantar. So to relax your foot, you just want to bend your toes toward your heel. So stretching the foot is toes away from the heel, and relaxing the foot is toes toward the heel. So this is easy enough to do. If you can get your ankle on your other leg, you can just sit here like this when you're watching TV or you're at the movies. It's very easy, it's comfortable, it doesn't hurt. And the side benefit is that it also relaxes your calf muscles, your lower leg. So you want to hold this for at least 2 minutes at a time, and that gives the body a chance to hang on to that relaxation response. So if you do it too quickly and let go, it's more likely to just go right back into contraction. So you want to hold it at least 2 minutes at a time, and you're going to need to do this several times a day. So if you're at work or you're in a meeting or at dinner, you can relax the bottom of your foot by tucking your toes under your chair like this. So I hope you can see that. You're going to be doing that several times a day. And I've seen people getting better within weeks instead of months or years. So I really hope this works for you, and it's definitely worth a try because it's not painful, it's not going to hurt. Another really important thing to do so that you'll get better fast is, when you wake up in the morning, point your toes before you get out of bed. So you're just going to point your toes before you step on the floor, and that will relax the bottom of the foot so you won't be so likely to get micro tears when you put your foot down. So do these things, and also keep in mind that if you have plantar fasciitis, you probably have a little bit of hip misalignment, which happens to everybody just from activities or just living on this planet. You can probably take care of a lot of that misalignment with yoga and massage. If you can't fix it yourself, you might need to see a positional release therapist or a physical therapist or a good massage therapist to help you get those hips in alignment. So give this a try. I hope it works for you, and let me know what happens. Have a great day. Namaste.